Still a little warm today. Not hot, but warm.
I don't know. This afternoon I found it to be hot. The humidity, you could tell, had been coming back up. The good thing, and I think what you're getting at, is that breeze does change the way it feels out there.
What I'm getting at is it wasn't what it was
That's true.
during the summer. But you are right. It was much warmer. You're right.
My threshold in September is very
different than mine. That's true.
I want it to be in the 60s now, and anything above that, I'm complaining.
I agree.
All right, well, we've got some cooler weather coming in. We are tracking a cold front that'll be moving into our area. Not here yet, as we've got scattered clouds and a couple of isolated showers moving over parts of Riley, Pottawatomie, over toward Nemaha and Brown counties. But most of this, just some scattered clouds moving off from southwest to northeast. What we're tracking is that approaching cold front. Ahead of it, partly cloudy, breezy, still pretty warm for tonight. Hot, humid, breezy weather again tomorrow. Most of Thursday will be dry. Now, late Thursday night on into Friday, storm chances will return as that next cold front starts to move into the area and set us up for a beautiful weekend. 73 for the high on Saturday, 75 on Sunday. These numbers are actually a little cooler than we were projecting yesterday, as it's starting to look like a bigger push of that cooler air will move our way. Clouds up north at Seneca from our Spring Creek Golf Course Seneca cam. Just a dotting of clouds in Topeka right now. 87 south-southeast winds at 13 miles per hour. So far, we've made it up to 90 degrees. And at that time, the heat index was around 95, so certainly had that warmer feel to the air. 90 for Clay Center, 89 right now at Council Grove and Emporia, 90 for Holton. The overall trend today has been for higher humidity, strong breezes. That's driving the heat index up into the low 90s, at times the low to mid 90s today is what it felt like out there. It does help, though, when you have the wind. Hot, humid air feels worse when it's stagnant, so at least there's a breeze blowing through the area, but it's a strong wind, and it will stay strong. Take a look at this as we track out those breezes with Future Track. 20-mile-per-hour winds through the afternoon tomorrow. Here comes the cold front. Slides in late Thursday evening into Thursday night and kind of gets hung up over the area, over the northern counties through midday Friday. By Friday evening, it'll finally start to make that push to the south. And ahead of it, those south winds are really bringing in the humidity. Notice the scale up here. We're certainly humid tomorrow morning and a little muggy for the eastern half of the area by tomorrow afternoon. And then finally, we head into late Friday. That front starts to push finally southward and shoves all the humidity out for the weekend. So it will change heading into the upcoming weekend. Ahead of it tomorrow, partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Tomorrow, a lot like today, sunny, hot, breezy, humid. And then late toward the evening hours, that front starts to light up with some scattered showers with thunderstorms. And then another round should develop sometime during the daytime on Friday into Friday evening as that front pushes through again. And then we'll have some clouds around Saturday morning, but clear toward the afternoon. So if you're headed over to Kansas City for the Chiefs game tomorrow evening, partly cloudy, mid-80s, breezy and humid for the kickoff. Storms will likely stay till after the game in the Kansas City area. We've got some mowing to do, hot and humid tomorrow. Friday, those scattered storms, so we've yellow lighted those days, but green lighted the weekend. Much cooler, beautiful weather. Get that yard work done this weekend. 72, partly cloudy and breezy for tonight. High temperature tomorrow, back to 92. Storms more toward tomorrow night into Friday. Friday still pretty warm, but much cooler over the weekend. Lower 50s at night, low to mid 70s for the highs, and breezy and warming back up toward the middle of next week. There's a look at the sunrise this morning in Manhattan from Daryl Penland. Also a view of the sunrise from Doug Mock at Topeka.
It's like you want to be friends again, Matt.
You know, I try. I get you kind of angry with this hot, humid weather.
Stir it up.
Then we make it up over the weekend as we get the beautiful weather again.
All right. Thanks, Matt.